Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view in 2025. So now this thing is possible for you to do. So you just have to simply follow this step. First of all, you need to come on yahoo.com and you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you need to click on this mail icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and it will redirect you in your mail account. Now over here you just have to simply click on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on more settings. Now once you are in your more settings, you can just customize your appearance with the help of these options that are given over here. But since we want to change our Yahoo Mail back to classic, you will see this option over here that would say switch to basic mail. So once you click on it, it will say that, oh no, we will miss you, so you need to click on switch to basic mail. And after that it will take some time and it will just refresh the page, and this is your Yahoo Mail in the classic mode. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.